I'm Jonathan Bird from Barry Plant Werribee, and I'd like to welcome you to number 12 Simon Court on the south side of Werribee. This magnificent reproduction period style home features 4 large bedrooms, a 5th bedroom/study, 3 living areas and an amazing outdoor space. Come with me and let's have a look inside. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I look forward to seeing you at this weekend's open for inspection. If you'd like a private appointment, feel free to give me a call on 0419 536 905. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.